Hello, Witch Nikki here. Gonna be doing my painting on my plate. For those who don't know, who didn't see the video that I did, these two wings and these two on the green one, they broke. Now they used to look like this. Then I used some medical gauze that we had some extra, and I used glue to paste over, glue over these areas and make them stronger, because this one here was kind of loose. When I glued it, it wouldn't stay put. So now it's going to. Now I'm going to paint them. But try as I might, I could not find my black acrylic paint. So, and I tried to use my pens, my acrylic pen, black, but the only edge that's working is not this edge. This is working pretty much. But the fine, like, brushy end, that's gotten kind of dry for some reason. I heard that if you soak them in a bit of water for a little bit, it might pull the ink down. So I'm just gonna leave it there for a little bit. I always have a hard time painting or drawing butterflies. I don't know why. Maybe it's because there's two halves to it, and doing what's on the same thing on the other wing is always hard. Eyes, whatever, if there's two of something, it is hard for me to do. Okay. Well, these kind of didn't last as long as I was hoping they would. I really just wanted this for the thin, you know, like some edges, and now I don't really want to use this because it's going to dry out too fast, and I'm just going to put that over there. So let me put this on pause, and I'm going to try to select some paints to go with these to put the designs on. You know, be back, but it's hard for me to hold this and show, so I'm just going to do step by step. Okay, so I thought I'd show you what I've done so far. I'm going to do the other wing too. Just wanted to show you that I've kind of created, I guess you could call it like an off black, almost like a chocolatey color. I'll show you. Let me scoop up a little bit of it here. See that? It's pretty dark and really kind of pretty. I'll tell you what I did, because I remembered back in the day, not only when I was a kid, but my kids and my granddaughter, they all just loved mixing paint, and they would mix the green. Next thing you know, they're mixing red and yellow and blue and all kind of colors in it, and all of a sudden it's not colorful but kind of a black color. And so I remembered that, and I used here this crimson. How much? I don't know. I don't weigh. I do things by eye. It's just like, I think I'm gonna need that much because I don't like wasting. And I know that's not too safe, because I do a little bit more than I think I need. Because if I need a little bit more to go back and try to get the same exact color, hard. Old Mauve, and then this really pretty Viridian is what it's called. So I just kind of used a bit of that here and there. I also did body of the butterfly as well. So it's hard for me to paint it from this position, but I'll try so that you can see that I am indeed doing this for right here. Okay, so just a little bit. I'm going to take in like a flat brush and gently start in here where it's already pretty dark and just kind of bringing it out until I've colored enough with it. Okay. At least you can see I'm doing it. I'm gonna try to stay, well, I'm going to go along this edge part right here too. You want to rest your hand on something, your arm, your wrist, so that it's not up in the air, you know. Steady it and place it and pull. Sort of like a little, just a little quick little pull. Pull, 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 just a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Now, in my book about the butterflies, some of you might not have seen it, but since we're coming up to spring, I thought we'd kind of talk about springy things. And this here book I wrote, and it's a perfect book for transitioning from winter into spring. So I did see some butterflies in here that were orangey. See, like this one right here. The illustrations are by Sarah Stever. Right here, to let you know that I did indeed write this book, and she illustrated it. So when I'm looking at this, yeah, they kind of do look like black, but they kind of, you know, everything in nature, well, not everything, but some things in nature that look black, when they shine in the sun, they have a different color. You know what I mean? So I'm going to try to see what color can I do for the green, bright green butterfly. Ooh, this is kind of pretty. Kind of simple too. You see this one right here? That would look kind of nice, huh? Okay. So, I think I still... Oh yeah, I need to do the little ridges along. See, like I did over here. Looks like some ridges right there I'm going to do. So I think I'll keep this color because I think I'll have enough to do both of the wings, because it's not like I'm going to cover the whole wing, and there's a good little puddle or blop of paint right there that I'm going to use. I enjoy painting things more than I enjoy painting pictures, because my perspective of dimensions for some reason is off, and I can't make things dimensional when I'm drawing or painting. I don't know why. I've just never learned to do. They always look flat, you know, non dimensional. Okay. Ooh, over 10 minutes. Well, my over 10-minute videos go to YouTube. Let me stop now, and I'm going to do a shorter one to talk about it being over here on YouTube. So that'll be it for now. I'm going to do a smaller video to do on TikTok while it's still around. Thank you for joining me here. I'm going to continue to do this plate, but I might do little segments here and there.